Did you know that you could get thrown in jail for legally defending your family? I want you to imagine something. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and you're asleep. Your wife is right next to you and your kids are down in the hall in their rooms. And then you hear it, glass shattering. It wakes you up immediately. And instinctively, you reach underneath your bed where you have your firearm, the firearm that you legally own, and you start to move down towards the hall, towards the noise. You prayed that this would never happen. You prayed that you'd never have to actually use the firearm you're holding in your hand. You step into the hallway, and there he is, a stranger in your house, and he's moving towards your children's bedrooms. You yell, you shout, you warn, but it doesn't matter. And then he lunges. And in that split second, you make the decision and you pull the trigger. One shot, the threat is over, and he's down. Your family is safe, and that's where the real nightmare begins. Because when the police arrive, they don't treat you like the father who just defended his family. They treat you like a criminal. You're handcuffed, your gun is confiscated, and before you know it, you're in the back of a squad car headed to jail. The prosecutor asks you questions like, why didn't you just run out the back door instead of firing? Why didn't you wait until he attacked you or tried to attack you before you shot him? Why didn't you just shoot him in his leg? Why did you have to shoot him in a place where you know that he would die? You said your kids were asleep, so were they ever actually in any immediate danger? These questions are not designed to protect you. They're designed to incriminate you, to make you second guess that decision you made in that split second. These questions are designed to make a father defending his family look like a murderer. So now you're staring down the possibility of criminal charges, negligent homicide, manslaughter, even civil suits from the intruder's family. Even if you're innocent, even if you did everything right, you're still looking at tens of thousands of dollars just to prove you're not guilty. Legal Shield has a gun owner supplement that you can add to any one of their personal plans. So that way, the moment you make that call to your attorney, you're talking to someone who has knowledge of the gun laws in your state. Someone who can protect you just in case you ever have to find yourself in this situation. These attorneys can guide you on what to say and what not to say just in case you find yourself in front of a prosecutor being asked those questions. And I don't know about you, but taking advice from a licensed attorney who knows gun laws in my state is a lot better option than following the advice of some random YouTube or Instagram or TikTok influencer who thinks they know what the heck they're talking about. I fully believe that carrying a gun and owning a gun legally is a good thing as a law-abiding citizen. But I also believe that defending your family comes with risks, not just physically from someone trying to hurt you or your family, but legally from the system that was designed to protect us. If you want more information, feel free to shoot me a message, comment below, or check the link in my bio, and I'm happy to give you everything that you need to know about Legal Shield. If you own a gun to protect yourself and defend your family, that's great, but don't wait to protect yourself legally too.